we would take taxis to like Leila Sefer and stuff like that, but for the most part, we were not protected at all.
Okay, መኪና ምናምን ይዛችሁ አልሄዳችሁም ነበር ወይ አልኳት እና አንዳንዴ ያው ወደ ሌላ ሰፈሮች ምናምን ስንሄድ አንዳንዴ ብቻ እንጂ ሁሌ አይደለም የነበረው በመኪና በብዛት በእግራችን ነበር የምንሄደው አለች። ስለዚህ ጋይስ ለኢትዮጵያ የሚኖረው ሜቢ ለእናንተ ኖርማል ይሆናል፣ ግን ሰዎች ሀገር የኖረው ጋይስ ኖርማል አይሆንም። ደግሞ እስቲ ኢማጂን ያን ታዋቂ ሰው ምናምን ሲሆን መንገድ ላይ ስትሄዱ ያው I don't know guys, but anyways እሷ አሁን ፈልገው. Okay, go ahead.
And at the same time, you know, there was a lot happening. There was a lot of fights happening. When I was in Ethiopia, I didn't even live inside of a house. We were living in a room outside of the house, and with that, my mom was controlling everything that I do on live, everything. I did not feel comfortable. I felt stuck in a box, period. Like, of course, she's my mom. I respect her, but I just could not take it anymore, and that's why I decided to leave. And at the same time, I was being treated very bad by her. I was like, by the way, guys, this is not disrespect. Me coming on social media and saying that I don't like how I was treated. Stop normalizing that. If I don't want to be treated like that, then I don't have to stay in that certain household.
Okay. ምትላለችው ጥያ ምናምን ነበረም ላይክ እሱንም በጣም ማውራት አትፈልግም፣ ግን ብዙ ነገሮች ሆነው ነበረ እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ ቤት አይ ቲንክ ተከራይተው እሷና እናቷ የነበሩት አንድ ክፍል ብቻ ነው እና አንድ ክፍል ውስጥ አብረው ሼር ስለሚያደርጉ ስለነበረ ላይፍ ላይ ምናምን ልትገባ ብትፈልግ እናቷ ትቆጣጠራት ነበረ። በቃ ፍሪ ሆና ነገሮች ማድረግ አልቻለችም። And now, yeah, go ahead, Daisy. So you said that you felt like you couldn't go on live and stuff.
Also, as of everyone saying that I was just a spoiled child, there were things that I wanted to clear up too. People said, okay, she bought me a new car, this like that. First of all, that was both.
Sorry, Daisy. Because I forgot. I just told them that you felt like trapped, that you couldn't do things because your mom was around you. But you said something before that. You said that you do respect and love your mom, isn't it?
Yes, I do.
Nothing, but that alone. Of course, nothing. Not again. በቃ ፍሪ ምንም ማድረግ አልቻልኩም ነበር። ፍሪ መሆን አልቻልኩም ነበር። ላይፍ ላይ ምንም ስገባም ታጨናንቀኝ ነበረ። እና እንደዛ ነው የምትለው እና ጋይስ ስፖይልድ ወይም ስለንትን ስለሆነች አይደለም፣ በቃ እናቷ ጋር ችግር አላቸው።
Yeah, by the way, even if I was so called spoiled, like just because you're rich doesn't mean that your mind is perfect. Like even Habtam Sawich, like there's abuse going on and like people don't understand it, but it's
we can do even with what's his name, even famous people now the secrets are coming out and stuff. Yeah, it's true. She's ምትላለችው ሰዎች ሀብታም እና ብር ምናምን ስላላቸው it doesn't mean abuse ምናምን አያረጉም ብላችሁ ማሰብ የለባችሁም ነው ምትላችሁ ያለችው። ስለዚህ እቃ ኤክስፔንሲቭ እቃ ቢገዛ ምን ቢልም mentally አይምሮሽ ንጹህ ካልሆነ ምን ዋጋ አለው ነው ምትላለችው guys. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, and I don't know, there was other things that I wanted to say.
You said about your her buying you something. It doesn't
about mean the car. People are saying, oh, Eswa Adis making Alish. First of all, that was both of our cars. Like at the end of the day, that doesn't even matter. But it's not like she like buying a car for your child, and it's not like I'm not gonna congratulate you for you had a child. That's what you should
do.
Support them with. As an American, that's
መኪና ገዛች ተብሎ ይወራል፣ ግን መኪናው የነበረው ለሷም ለእናቷም ነው አብረው የሚጠቀሙት ያሉት ጋይስ። የሷ መኪና አይደለም። ሂዳ ለዴዚ ልግዛ ብላ አይደለም የገዛችው መኪናው ለሁለቱም እንዲጠቀሙበት ነው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ መኪናን ብትገዛ ኦኬ ምን ችግር አለበት? እሱን ማድረግ አለባት ወይስ አዘናት አለች። Okay, go on.
Yeah, and plus that wasn't just my car, that was both of our, we shared it. So, and she gave up her old car. Anyways, that doesn't matter.
Wait, let me say. Go on, hold on, Daisy. Yeah. ያለችው መኪናው የራሷ እናትዮ አሮጌ መኪና ነበራት ከሱ በፊት ማለት ነው። እሱን ሰጣ ይሄን ነው የገዛችው ቀይራ ማለት ነው። እና አብረው ነው እንት የሚጠቀሙት መኪናውን። Okay, go on.
Yes, and